Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install PHP on Ubuntu 18.04. That's the latest stable release. Okay, so first of all we will have to update the distro. Sudo apt update and upgrade. Okay, just enter your password and it shouldn't take a long time on my system, but on your it may take a bit longer. And I don't know, it's done. I can see here. So now we will go ahead and install the PHP on the system. So sudo apt install PHP. So when you type this command, it's going to install the most latest stable version of PHP on your Ubuntu distro. And okay, so it's trying to set up now. PHP is installed. If you go ahead and check the PHP version, it's 7.2.15, which is most stable for Ubuntu 18.042. And let's quickly go ahead and test it. Okay, so I'm going to relaunch the terminal, and let me just enlarge the font here so that you can see it clearly. Still can't see it. Here we go. Okay, now hopefully you can see it. So I'm going to change the directory to desktop and going to make a directory which is going to be test box. Get into this directory and just create an index.php. Just we are going to test it, okay, whether it's working or not. So I'm going to use vim to open this, and I'm going to create basically going to test it with php info, and now I can close it. Okay, here we go. Now so I'm going to run the php and build server. It's local host 4000, and let's go ahead and launch it. You can see it here. So it's going to open the default browser, and let's see if it is working. I'm not sure why it's taking a bit longer. Okay, so here we are. It's trying to load things up for us. php.info. So it's working. So awesome stuff. You can see these are the PHP extensions already enabled here. So this is how you install PHP 7.2 on Ubuntu 18.04, and this is how I test it on the system. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye for now.